Jai Hind friends, welcome to my channel Mechanical Engineering Knowledge. As you know, we are sharing mechanical engineering knowledge, automobiles engineering knowledge, automobiles update through this channel as well as QMS documentation. So, without wasting the time, let's start the topic. So, today topic is BMW launch a electric scooter in a amazing feature. Okay, so if you are want to know about the specification of this bike as well as technical knowledge, so please watch the video till end. Also request to, if you are new here, so please subscribe my channel. So let's start without wasting the time. So today contents is BMW CE04 electric scooter unveiled. Okay, so the announced by BMW Motors on 7th July 2021. Okay, so this is only actually announcement only done on 7th July, but the bike will be expected in 2022. Okay, coming year. So let's see what is the amazing feature in this bike. So the CEO of BMW AG, Oliver Gibbs, said that the BMW CE04 is our new electric star for the city. It combines an e-drive with emotions and motorcycling fun. Okay, the latest technology and the best battery cell, which also provide power in the BMW iX. Okay, just like the CE04, all future new BMW motored model for urban mobility will be pure electric. Okay, so this is the overview of the scooter. This is looking amazing actually. Okay, so you can see here, this is amazing looking. Okay, and specification let's see in short view. Okay, after that we will go in detail also. So just in brief we can see in this slide what is the main specification and what is the amazing feature in which scooter. So maximum output is 31 kilowatt. Okay, you can say 42 horsepower. Also battery range is 130 kilometer in one time charge, and 0 to 50 kilometers speed up within 2.6 seconds. Also liquid cooled electric motor, and maximum speed it can be 120 kilometer per hours. Charging time the battery it will take 4 hours and 20 minutes. All battery cell capacity is 60.6 Ah, you can say 8.9 kWh, and TFT color screen also is there on the front of the driver. It will be 10.25 inch TFT screen. Okay, so you can see here in the main specification in short. Now we will go further detail step by step on every specification and every parts. So the new BMW CE04 has an ample battery cell capacity of 60.6 Ah, providing a range of some 130 km, reduced output version 100 km. This enables day-to-day emission-free riding in the city, in an urban setting, and for smaller scale fun tour of after work or at the weekend with complete peace of mind. Now innovative electric drive with liquid cooled electric motor. Okay, the cooling system is the liquid cooled. Okay, the new BMW CE4 has permanent magnetic electric motor mounted in the frame between the battery and the rear wheel, as used in a similar form in BMW car such as the 225 into e-active Tourer. BMW Motorrad conduct extended riding test to develop a specific type of recuperation for each riding mode, giving the rider a high level convenience. This means that optional performance or riding characteristics are available in every situation on the road. Now short charging time. Now let's see about the battery charging technology based on the system is used on car. The battery technology like using in car, the lithium ion battery is charged using the integrated charging device, either a regular household socket. Now you can see here the battery specification also there, and charging hours is also there. Specification and technology also. The battery is actually the output is 6.9 kilowatt and 45 minute optional quick charger. Okay, next we will see the images also of the vehicle also in next coming few slides. So you can see technically specification only now. Directional stable suspension with one piece tubular steel main frame for the smooth handling and a high level of ride comfort. The main frame is tubular steel construction. The front wheel is controlled by telescopic form with a slider tube diameter of 35 mm. Rear wheel consists of single slide swing arm at the rear suspension, and damping are performed by a directly controlled fully covered spring strut. The new BMW CE04 fitted with generously sized tire with 120/70 R567H at the front and 160/6 R5 at the rear. Now just we discuss about TFT. The 10.2-inch TFT color screen with the integrated map navigation for convenient route planning and extensive connectivity as the standard. The new BMW CE4 comes fitted as standard with 10.2 TFT color screen. Okay, so this is the main thing, and you can also find out the map also on the same screen. Okay, you can connect with your mobile also, and this is the directly connect with the instrument cluster speedometer. Okay, color is different type you can take as per your wish. And now powerful brake system with latest generation ABS Pro with banking capability as an X-word option. At the front, a twin disc brake ensure secure deceleration supported by a single disc system. At the rear, in addition, BMW motored ABS ensure a high level of active safety. ABS Pro available as an optional extra goes even further by means of a banking sensor. ABS Pro also control banking on bends therapy, offering the greatest possible safety. Okay, now you can understand about what is the technicality of braking system. You can see here. Now powerful LED lighting unit, all round adapting headlight pro light function as X work experience. Okay, LED light will be there. And now we will see next slide. This is the actually highlighted. I have here mentioned what is the main highlight. You can see here in one slide. Rated output 50 kilowatt, maximum output 31 kilowatt. Okay, reduced output version 11 kilowatt or 23 kilowatt. Ample cell capacity in the battery 60.6 Ah, range of approximately 130 km. Reduce output version up to 100 km. Short charging time and charging technology based on the system used in car. Increase riding stability due to slip control by means of ASC automatic stability control, also DTC dynamic traction control as in X word option. Okay, 3 riding mode: eco, rain and road for efficient day-to-day use as standard. Now you can see a powerful braking system, ABS, okay, 10.25-inch TFT color screen with integrated map navigation and extended connectivity as standard. Powerful LED lighting units all round, adapting headlights, pro and light function as X-Works option, okay. Storage compartment at the side of front. The side helmet of compartment can now be operated with the seated. Actively ventilated mobile phone charging, okay. Compartment with USB-C charging port. Further oriented design and color scheme. Extensive range of optional extras and original BMW motored accessories as well as rider equipment. So friends, you can understand in this slide what is the main and amazing facility given by BMW in this model, okay. So this is actually amazing. So now you can see, now we will go for the amazing pictures also, because we will see the specification. We have also see, now we need to see the images also. So ready to enjoy for BMW CE4. So now we will discuss about the availability of in market. The BMW CE04 electric scooter is accepted to go on sale in international market by 2022. Okay, this is the actual information, and it will be available maybe coming year 2022. As far as the Indian market is concerned, that the company has not announced any plan of bringing in the EV here, and the chances of them doing so are armsly. ओके, सो अभी नो इंडियन मार्केट में ऐसा अभी नहीं है कि इन्होंने कोई अनाउंसमेंट किया है सेल करने का या प्रोड्यूस करने का. सो यू कैन सी ओनली इंटरनेशनल मार्केट नाउ एज पर द BMW statement. Now we will go for the prices. The prices the company have already approximate prices they are announced. Actually this will be approximate $12,000, and it will come in Indian rupees approximate 9,68,337 rupees. Okay, so now friend, I hope you enjoy this session and you can understand what is the specification of this new model launched by BMW CE04, and you also know about the prices and availability of this product in market. So thank you, keep watching and be safe. Thank you, bye bye.